How to add sound in Media Library in Vista Social. Adding sound to your Media Library in Vista Social gives your content an edge, especially when creating posts for platforms like Instagram Reels or Facebook Stories. Music and sound effects make your posts more dynamic and engaging, and Vista Social lets you manage this without switching platforms. Start by navigating to the Media Library section in your dashboard. Once there, you'll see an option to upload media. Click on it, and you can drag in audio files or browse your device. Vista Social accepts a variety of file types, so MP3 or WAV formats usually work best. After uploading, your audio files are stored directly in the cloud-based library. You can now add this sound to any future post while scheduling. Just choose the media file as your background audio, or sync it with video content. You can also organize your sounds by folders or tags to quickly find what you need later. It's perfect for brands with custom jingles or creators using licensed music for Reels. And yes, the link to join Vista Social for free is in the description. That's how you can unlock this feature and more. Customizing your media with sound takes your content to the next level. Vista Social ensures it's simple, fast, and integrated into your workflow.